Today I'm going to show you a quick editing tip that I've learned on my Teachers Pay Teachers journey. So if you are looking to make a black and white copy and a color copy, if you notice both of these are exactly the same, but these pieces, like I put some of these pieces together. So it was actually a lot of work to get it exactly how I wanted it. But there's an easy way to, instead of making this worksheet completely twice, I would actually be able to change a photo by doing this trick here. All right, so just for example, I'm going to make a duplicate. I just put Command D on my Mac computer, just so I can show you. So I have this dog. It's already sized how I want it. So I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to go to change picture. And you can have any of your options, but I have a file of this dog right in my clip art folder. Okay, so I get to go choose whatever dog. Actually, I really could choose any image, but right now I want my dog. Let's do a blue dog. And then I insert it and it's changed. I could do the same thing with the frog. Oops. And once you do that, it's in the same file. So if you have everything kind of there, that's pretty easy. So there you go. So you just click it, go to change picture, change from file, go find the picture that you want and select it. There you go. So that will save you some time. Like I said, you don't have to do any reformatting or anything like that. So it saves a lot of time. Here's the second thing I wanted to show you. So I've started creating, this backwards decoding. I think it's a great program to do. Okay, so I've got all of my buttons, how I want it to pop up. Okay, but let me just duplicate this one too so I don't mess it up. If I wanted to go back and change my words, and let's say I want to add a picture. There we go. And I wanted to add all new pictures. Okay, and just for being quick here, let's just, say it's a different color dot. If I completely change out my picture, one, I'm having to do all of the resizing and replacing again, okay? But two, look what happens when I present it. Okay, now it's all out of order. If I added more pictures, the same thing. So I would have to go back in there and redo all of my transitions, which are here on the side. Okay, but and this does take time to kind of put when you want it to appear, when you want it to not. Okay, so the same trick you did by replacing the photo, you can do it here. So let me show you how you would do it on Google Slides. So I want to replace this dot. I would do right click, replace image, and then of course, you can choose the places where you want to upload it from. Okay, I'm just going to come right over here and put dot, and let's choose that same green dot. Now it's replaced. Okay, to resize it, because sometimes it does make it bigger, just double click or go to the crop button. Okay, and then you can resize it to fit into the crop area. Okay, got my green dot. Let's do a parking lot for this one. So right click it, replace image. Parking lot. I know that's there we go. Sure. Double click that one. Let's take it. Okay. If I wanted to resize it, then I could. Okay, but we'll just leave it. All right. So now let's look at this presentation. I've got my words and it comes in exactly how I wanted it to do. Okay. So cool trick, replace the image. Don't completely recreate. Find those shortcuts. And I hope this video was helpful.